Hello guys, for today's tutorial I'll be showing us the pan and zoom effect. So for this we'll be using a picture. So let's go into this. As you know that this media feature is just to add another background. So let's know this now. Media is to add another background. So we'll be adding a background now. So we'll be using a picture for the background. So we are picking this. As you can see, this is a picture now. So let's use the pan and zoom. As you can see, pan and zoom around this side. Pan and zoom actually makes your background move maybe inward or outward, like this. As you can see, like this, like this. So you can see this is starting point and this is end point. If you want the picture to end towards this side, so it's starting inside, then it's coming outside. So let's play it for you to check it. See what I'm saying? As you can see, it's moving already. So that's the major work of the pan and zoom. So also, if you want our pan and zoom to actually make your picture move from left to right, it's possible also. In as much you use the pan and zoom very well. This is it, like this. It's only work for background. So let's get that clearly. To look for background, it's only work for background. So it's done already. So let's play it. As you can see, so that's the major work of pan and zoom. That's the major work of pan and zoom.